In this video, I'll show you how to set up your HP Laserjet Pro or Color Laserjet Pro using a USB cable to your computer. In this video, I'll use a PC Windows computer. This is Windows 11, but it works the same with older Windows and even Mac computer. So let's get started. The first step is to connect this cable, and if you don't have one of these cables, I'll put a link in the description towards Amazon to get one. So you need to connect this end in the back of the printer. Let's do it. So this is the back of my Laserjet Pro printer, and if we take a look over here, we have multiple ports. This is for the fax machine. This is for an Ethernet port, and right over there, this is the USB port. It should have this logo beside. So take your cable and align it. There's a certain way on how to insert it. Perfect. Now do not connect the other end of the cable to your computer yet. At this point, just turn on the printer, okay? So press the power button, and now I'll show you how to download the driver for your printer. This will ensure us that everything will work perfectly. So go on Google and type the name of your printer. So HP Laserjet. This is my printer, by the way. Yours may be a bit different. Laserjet Pro M426FDN. And then type driver at the end after the name of your printer. The first option should be from the official HP website. So right over here, I'll tap on it. This is my printer. This is great. If I go down this list, I'll see here HP Laserjet Pro with the name of my printer, full solution. Download this. So go ahead and select the download button. Download should start right away. You just have to wait. Okay, I'll go ahead and open the file I just downloaded right over here. Press yes. This will open, and now we just have to wait until the installer is launched. Here it will tell you all the software that will be installed on your computer that needs to run your printer. So click next. Select I have reviewed and accept, and then next. Click next. Select the first option over here. Directly connect to this computer using USB cable. You'll be asked to connect the product on the next screen. So once you have selected that, click next. And now you can take the other end of your USB cable that was connected in your printer and connect it in the USB port of your computer. Okay, it's now connected. Press. And now, as you see here, it has started. I didn't touch anything. As soon as I've connected the cable, this over here popped. And we got a green check mark. This is a good news. And the software install has begun. Now, come back when this is done. It can take a few minutes, so come back in 5 or even 10 minutes. And at the end, you should get your software has been successfully installed. This is great. You're going to have two things over here. Set as default printer. This is only if you want this printer to be your default one. And print a test page. You're not obligated to accept these things. You can uncheck them. And at the end, press finish. And this software will close out and you'll be able to use your printer right away. How to use it? Well, it's very easy. Open any files you wish to print on your Mac or PC. Select the print icon. This is on a PC, but on a Mac you need to go, I think, in Files and then select Print. And from here, under Printer, go ahead and select your HP Laserjet Pro printer or Color Laserjet printer. You should see it in this list. And once you have selected it, you'll be able to click on Print and the result will print. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, take a moment, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks again for your support.